Meet Headley, your intelligent news companion for Windows 11. Let's start by choosing the news sources you want to follow. Simply select the publishers you're interested in, and Headley will build your personalized news feed. Keeping your news feed organized is simple. Just swipe an article to the left to mark it as read. Changed your mind? Simply tap undo to restore the article to your feed. Want to revisit something later? Open the history page to see all the articles you've already read, making it easy to find them again whenever you need. To use Headley's AI features, you first need to download an AI model locally to your machine. This keeps the processing on your device and gives you control over how the AI runs. Now that the AI model is ready, let's click Summarize News to instantly get a quick overview of the latest story. Let's listen to a few seconds of the AI audio summary. Good afternoon. This is Headley, your AI-powered news overview for July 8, 2026, bringing you the top stories from the last 7 days. These are the headlines. Democrats in Maine discuss alternatives to That AI audio summary sounds great, and it's just one of the many ways Headley helps you stay informed. Now, let's customize the Headley announcement widget on the Windows 11 Start menu. Let's see the current market value of Bitcoin directly from the Windows 11 Start menu using the Headley announcement widget. The announcement widget is fully customizable. You can choose what information you want to display, such as cryptocurrency prices, system information like CPU, GPU, memory, and disk usage, your own animated GIFs, countdowns for important events, weather updates, and more. Now let's take a look at the settings page, where you can customize Headley to match your preferences. From here, you can manage your account, system settings, the time range of news you want to see, your AI model, AI voice, languages, widget settings, and much more. Now let's talk about the first Windows 11 dashboard we built specifically for Headley. With just one click from the Windows 11 sidebar, you can open Headley and get a quick overview of your personalized news without needing to launch the full application. Now let's talk about the Headley widget. If you already use Windows 11 widgets and have a collection of your favorite widgets, you can simply add the Headley widget to your list. That's Headley, your personalized information hub built for Windows 11. Download Headley today and experience a smarter way to stay informed.